Welcome to our Page Zack review. Today we will talk about this wonderful product that will help you. How would you like to turn Vidkreate into your very own 6 or 7-figure agency today? Alright. So you're on track to enjoy all the amazing power that Vidkreate affords any entrepreneur. Hopefully, you got access to all the previous upgrades that unlocks more power for your video creation and video marketing needs. While you're closer to tapping into that power, how about taking the option to create your own highly profitable agency using all the tools inside Vidkreate? This next level is one that can truly put a life-changing income in your hands. Vidkreate Agency Edition. Here's everything that Vidkreate Agency Edition delivers. Full-Fledged Agency Pack will give you everything you need to start your agency immediately right after you purchase. That includes the following: DIY ready-made agency websites, ready-made PowerPoint keynote proposal presentation, high-converting cold email sequence, stunning commercial graphics package, ready-to-go Facebook ads creative, DIY pimp-to-sell telemarketing scripts. Full-Fledged Agency Pack will give you everything you need to start your agency immediately right after you purchase. That includes the following: DIY ready-made agency websites, ready-made PowerPoint keynote proposal presentation, high-converting cold email sequence, stunning commercial graphics package, ready-to-go Facebook ads creative, DIY pimp-to-sell telemarketing scripts. Manage up to 500 clients. We'll also unlock the option for you to make a boatload of cash by giving you 500 spaces for all your clients. That means you can continue to sell the service and eventually turn your agency into a 7-figure earner without ever worrying about not having the ability to support each and every client you bring on. Use up to 5,000 gigabytes of bandwidth. Since you're running your agency, we'll give you 10x the bandwidth that you receive with Vidkreate. This should be plenty to help all your clients get tons of views without limits. Manage unlimited videos of clients. Once again, no limits on the videos you can upload and host for your clients. This is a great selling point, as you'll not only help them to create and display their content, but also save a ton of money in the process. Create invoices. We've even made getting paid easy within Vidkreate Agency. Once you've let the scripts and presentations do the work for you, simply click to send an invoice to the new client and get paid quickly. Boomerang videos. Get 100 video templates. Get 5 new templates every month. Premium fonts pack. We've even made getting paid easy within Vidkreate Agency. Once you've let the scripts and presentations do the work for you, simply click to send an invoice to the new client and get 24/7 priority support. We'll also make sure to give you the utmost care and client support available to help you achieve success. If there's ever any issues, we're only one email away from solving your problem ASAP. Create high-ticket recurring revenue faster than ever. Your investment in this upgrade is covered by our no-risk guarantee. Just like with all the other upgrades, we'll honor our no-risk money-back guarantee. When you get access to Vidkreate Agency today, you only need to give it an honest try. If after doing so, you feel that Vidkreate doesn't help you create a highly profitable agency, just shoot us an email and we'll refund you ASAP.